Looking for that sculpted, rounded glute look without hitting the gym? You're in the right place. In just 5 minutes, you'll be tackling the top moves to lift, tone, and activate those glutes, all from the comfort of your home. No equipment, no hassle, just pure results. Let's dive in. To kick things off, let's get the blood pumping and warm up those muscles. We'll start with body weight squats to get the glutes, quads, and hamstrings ready to work. Stand shoulder width apart, chest up, and brace your core as you lower down like you're sitting into a chair. Feel the stretch in your glutes and quads, then squeeze on the way up to engage those glutes. Let's aim for 15 reps here, moving with purpose. Make sure your knees don't cave in as you come down and keep those heels grounded for max effect. This warm-up is going to make each move even more effective and help prevent injuries. Now let's loosen up those hips with hip openers. Raise one knee up to hip height, rotate it out to the side and bring it back down. Alternate legs, going for 10 reps on each side. Take it slow. Each rotation should feel controlled and intentional. These openers are key for activating those hip muscles and getting them ready to fire. It's all about creating that flexibility and stability for what's to come. By now, you should be feeling warm, a little looser, and ready to dive into the real glute work. Alright, now that we're warmed up, let's dive into the main workout. First up, glute bridges. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet planted. This move is a powerhouse for glute engagement. Press through your heels and lift those hips, keeping your core braced and glutes engaged. Squeeze hard at the top, hold for a second, then slowly come back down. We're going for 20 reps, but don't rush it. Focus on form and really feel those glutes firing up with each rep. Remember, each squeeze at the top is sculpting that round shape. Next up, we've got donkey kicks. Roll onto all fours for this one. Keep your core tight as you lift one leg, bent at a 90-degree angle, and kick straight up toward the ceiling. Press through the heel, aiming for a strong glute contraction. 15 reps per leg here, really focusing on a smooth, controlled movement. Try not to let your back arch. Keep everything stable so the glutes do all the work. Donkey kicks are amazing for isolating and engaging those glute muscles. Now, let's move into fire hydrants. This one's a fan favorite because it really hits those outer glutes and hips. Staying on all fours, lift one leg out to the side like a dog at a fire hydrant. 15 reps per side, keeping the movement slow and controlled. This move is all about form. Keep your core braced to prevent any swinging and let those outer glutes take charge. Imagine you're shaping that glute from the outside, creating a fuller, rounded look. Stay with me. We're making serious gains here. Our last exercise in this circuit is sumo squats. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointed out at an angle. As you squat down, push those knees outward and keep your chest lifted. This wide stance shifts the focus to the inner thighs and glutes. Go for 15 reps here, and don't forget to squeeze those glutes at the top. Each rep is your chance to build strength, tone, and definition. With sumo squats, you're working the full glute and thigh, sculpting from all angles. Alright, we've made it to the last push. It's time for a glute burnout that's really going to solidify the work we've done so far. Get down on your back for a glute bridge hold. Lift those hips and keep them raised, squeezing the glutes and keeping your core braced. We're holding for 30 seconds. This hold is all about endurance, staying strong through the burn. Imagine your glutes powering up and getting stronger with each passing second. Don't let those hips drop. Stay focused. Ready to add a final challenge? Let's add in some pulses. At the top of the glute bridge, we're going to pulse for 15 seconds. Tiny movements, up and down, squeezing and releasing. This small range of motion brings an intense burn, helping to refine and shape those glutes. Each pulse is another step closer to that toned, rounded shape we're working for. Keep breathing, keep squeezing, and push through. This is where the magic happens. Great job. Now let's cool down with a quick stretch to help your muscles recover and enhance that glute activation. Start by sitting down and bringing one ankle over the opposite knee for a seated figure 4 stretch. Lean forward slightly to deepen the stretch in the glute. Hold it for 15 seconds, then switch legs. This stretch helps release tension in the glutes, which is perfect after an intense session like this one. Next, we'll move into a simple forward fold. Stand up, feet hip-width apart, and slowly reach down toward your toes, letting your upper body hang. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and glutes. Breathe deeply here, allowing those muscles to relax and recover. This cool-down is just as important as the workout itself, setting you up for your next session and helping to prevent soreness. And there you have it. 5 minutes of pure glute-focused work that you can do anytime, anywhere. If you keep this up, you're going to see incredible progress in building that strong, rounded look you're aiming for. This workout may be quick, but when you add consistency, that's when the real transformation happens. Remember, each time you show up, you're investing in yourself. Keep coming back to this routine, add it to your weekly workouts, or mix it into a longer session. Whether you're looking for strength, shape, or just a little more lift, this workout is here to help you reach your goals. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more workouts like this. We've got routines for every muscle group, all designed to fit into your busy life. Let's keep moving forward, one workout at a time. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next video.